Hello! We are Nawaf Ajwad and Nawarin Kiat, and welcome to Two Birds and Inn.
Today we are in Scratch. The title is music. I don't know what I'll save, but then let's see, to music. So play drum like this, or we can change instrument, triangle. And then we can rest for 25 beats too. Like this. We can play the note 60 or something. Then we can also put the beat. Then set the instrument to electric piano. Oh, it's for setting the instrument. Then what if we do this? It's the electric piano's music. And then set tempo to 60. And then I don't know what's tempo. Oh, I got it. Tempo is something, a music thing that the lesser tempo, the more speed. The more tempo, the more speed. Okay, then let's continue. Change tempo by 20. Then it will be 80 here. And then we can put this. So let's start. Set instrument. First, we need when flag clicked, and then forever. And then I need 5 of these. No, 6. So you'll see why. Not drum. Set instrument. 1 circle. So I put this. 21 instruments. So 1 to 21. And then play note 60 for, pick random 1 to 130 for pick random 0.25 to how many? For 0.25 to, I'll give 5. And then we have more 3. Rest for, let's duplicate. And it will be like this. And then duplicate. What was that? This is weird. Oh, so we don't need this. So, because we've 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we've got 6. So it becomes like this. I don't know what's happening. It's something like that. I'm not an expert at music. So what if you want to repeat the music? So we can set instrument. I'll set piano, how it is too much common. And if you want to set the instrument sing, so put it before forever or after. It's better to put, I don't know, but I put before forever because it won't repeat. Okay, so then I put like this. This will be just a mess. I think so. And then it becomes 4. Eight, 16, 32, 64. Okay. And then we put here. And then like an elevator, let's start. Okay. 14. 26. 27. 302. It will be 130. And then we get 54. 18. 192. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Then I think that this is being difficult. So I put like this. And I put that pick random silly to silly. Because this is tiring and I don't want to be tired. Then 2, 4, 8, 6. Not 16. And then this will be funny. What? Why is it doing in all? All. I will just write a random number. This is irritating. And then 60. Then like that. Okay. Now I made it all. It was better if you went more after, because this was irritating seeing me doing this. So I did the random number. Let's see. I think we need to work with costumes. So we can copy, paste. This will be difficult. Okay, now let's save. And I made all the costumes. So let's start. That's weird. Where did the sound go? Why is it like this? Oh, didn't expect that. Oh, that's because it has 10 beats. So he should move. And then turn, pick random 1 to 30. Funny. And then glide 1 second to random position. Not 1 second. 0.4 seconds. Okay. So let's save. And let's give a backdrop. That will be upload and backdrop. So here's a backdrop. A Scrat Cat with 3 ChatGPT robots. Then, like this, and there are 2 Scratch Cats. So, now let's see. Okay. I think we will change backdrops. So, okay. Forever next backdrop. So, like this. Okay. So see you in the next video about learning and gaming.